If you grew up in Malaysia, you know this taste, the creamy malty chocolate drink from school canteens and kopitiams. Today I'm showing you how to make a vegan Mylo-style powder that tastes shockingly close without dairy. Let me know in the comments, did Milo play a role in your childhood? Most homemade versions taste like hot chocolate, but Milo isn't just chocolate, it's malt first, creamy second and cocoa last. After a lot of testing, this is the closest vegan version I've been able to make at home. Let's get started. We are using 5 grams coconut sugar and 10 grams brown sugar. 2 sugars for rounded sweetness. Grind the sugars to make them slightly fine. They don't need to be super fine. Next, add all the other ingredients. We have 20 grams cocoa powder, not too much as it will be bitter. 15 grams coconut cream powder. A little coconut milk powder adds extra creaminess. 60 grams soya milk powder. This replaces dairy and gives body. 50 grams malted barley powder, non-diastatic type. This is the soul of Milo and the flavor enhances. Pinch of salt and 1/8 teaspoon vanilla powder. Small amount but makes a big difference. 1/8 teaspoon soy lecithin powder, optional but very powerful. This is what makes the drink dissolve smoothly and feel factory creamy. Then blend all the dry ingredients for about 30 seconds. This step matters more than you think. It mixes all the ingredients into a smooth powder. The mistake most recipes make is using too much cocoa. That turns it into hot chocolate. By increasing the malt and milk powders and reducing cocoa, we get the familiar Milo taste Malaysians recognize immediately. What makes Malaysian Mylo different? Malaysian Mylo has 3 key characteristics. A strong malted aroma, a milky creamy body, mild cocoa, never bitter. So if your recipe is too chocolatey, it's already wrong. This Mylo-style powder can be kept for up to 2 months in an airtight container. It should last up to 3 months if refrigerated. Here's how to serve this Mylo-style drink. Place 3 heaped tablespoons of powder into a mug. Add more if you like it extra cow, like most Malaysians. Pour in hot water, stir well. This is what we call Mylo kosong. Kosong meaning empty. It literally means no sugar or milk. Seriously, only for the diet conscious. But for the rest of us, we want it creamy, sweet, comforting. So Milo is usually prepared with the addition of sugar and milk. And some of us would say Mylo cow. Cow meaning strong. It means add more Milo. This is exactly how Milo was made in my school canteen. Creamy, malty, comforting, not too sweet, and very, very familiar taste. If you want to customize more cow, add a little extra Milo powder. Extra creamy, add more soya milk powder or a splash of hot soya milk. Disclaimer, this is a homemade vegan Milo chocolate drink, not the branded product. But taste-wise, Malaysians will know. If you love nostalgic Malaysian flavors made plant-based, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.